Sorry, guys. There we go. The lid back on there. Hi, I'm Sara. I've been at HelloFresh for a little over 4 years now. I'm the Culinary Development Manager for our culinary lab. And today I'm gonna show you one of my favorite recipes that I've developed recently. It is a grilled cabbage and shawarma chicken salad with a creamy, zesty dill sauce and a tomato, cucumber, and feta salad. First, we're gonna start by marinating our chicken. A little bit of salt, a little bit of pepper, add our shawarma spice, some olive oil, a nice lemon wedge here. And I'm just gonna turn to evenly coat this chicken. Next up, we're gonna make our tomato and cucumber salad for this dish. Cucumber, you can add that into the bowl. Roma tomato, small diced, feta, fresh dill. I'm gonna leave the stem on. Add half of this dill, salt, pepper, olive oil, the juice from another lemon. We are going to make our dill sauce mayo, some sour cream, olive oil, water, some garlic powder, all of the zest from 1 whole lemon, our remaining dill, and the juice from 1 lemon wedge here. All right, and we're just gonna stir this to combine. Now we're grilling our veggies. This is our conehead cabbage. I actually want to leave the stem and the core intact. Onion. It's about 4 to 6 minutes per side. You just really wanna make sure that you get that nice sear and crust on the outside. The cabbage on the inside is just like a little steamed. And now we're going to grill our chicken. Carefully lay that into the grill pan. Oh, gorgeous. Plop that pita right into the hot pan here. I'm gonna take our pita off. I'm gonna take 2 cabbage wedges, sliced chicken, dill sauce, tomato and cucumber and feta salad, some fresh pita.